I am Dr. Umesh Vaidya. I am a pediatrician and a neonatologist practicing at Cloudnine hospitals in Shivajinagar and Kalyaninagar at Pune. Babies can be fed during the flight, but what we usually advise most of the mothers is that the mother should be prepared. She should book her seat properly. She should have a front opening dress. She should have a wrap to protect her privacy, and feeding is recommended. In fact, giving any kind of top feeding during air travel may not be so safe. Some babies are known to cry during landing and takeoff, so we tell most mothers to be prepared to feed the baby during this time.